when we're there, it says, how can a good accountant help a landlord structure their affairs and save tax? So I've touched on it already, that you may pay more tax if you hold them personally. They're always going to be in your estate for the rest of your life, and you're always going to pay income tax on the profits. If you make a loss in a property company, you cannot offset that against other income from your employment or anywhere else. It can be very inflexible. There's not much you can do. If you've got a spouse, you can do spousal transfers at nil capital gains tax rates. However, if you've got properties in your own name and you want to transfer to a company, you're going to have two taxes to look at. You're going to have capital gains tax because you're effectively selling that property to another legal entity, and that legal entity has then got to pay stamp duty on the purchase. So moving properties out of personal name is always tricky. Unless they haven't grown in value much, and then you might get away with capital gains tax, but then you've got the stamp duty issue. So a good accountant will understand what you want to achieve, and then will work backwards from day nothing or the last day till the present day to work out how that might be best achieved. So that's what an accountant will do. If it is a limited company, it's how you structure that company is really, really important, so that you get the right lending capacity when you go to the mortgage broker. If you set up a company and you've got 10 shareholders and 6 directors, a mortgage lender is probably going to say, that's too complex a company. I'm not going to lend to you. So what I do is I work directly with your mortgage broker or your lender, and I structure a company so that you get the lending capacity and you have the choice of lending. So it is really important that sometimes the tax doesn't wag the dog's tail for the mortgage. We've all got to work together, because if you don't work together, it won't be achieved, and you'll be paying more in the mortgage interest rates than you need to. So it's really important that we work together as well. And to find an accountant that will work with mortgage advisors, again, is tricky, because each of them want to do their own thing. But I do work with them, and I find it very important that we work with them and have good relationships with a few mortgage advisors. So that's my tip on there.